In this video, we will be showing you how to use ExpressVPN to avoid SBMM or skill-based multiplayer matchmaking in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So let's just dive into the video. The long-awaited Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 reboot is finally here, and it has bit of everything: classic game modes and maps, new warfare playgrounds, and infamous skill-based matchmaking system. As the case with recent Call of Duty titles, Modern Warfare 3 also implements skill-based matchmaking for online gameplay. So if you are among the people who are trying to avoid SBMM to have easier games in Modern Warfare 3, I am vouching this method is going to be working 100% fine and effectively and give you the games that you are looking for to enhance your experience by much more. So the steps are going to be pretty simple. Firstly, you need to be heading over to a website called ExpressVPN, and from here you need to download it. So let's say you have downloaded ExpressVPN and simply double click on that. Now you can see ExpressVPN is ready to go. Simply head over to the connections. You can see a list. We have a wide range of options in here to choose from, and if you're going to be selecting a country like, for example, Egypt, India, Czech Republic, Turkey, Moldova, or South Africa, or something like that, there are going to be few players as it is going to be in opposite time zone mostly. And this is search in here for Egypt. Like, for example, if I search in here Egypt, you can see Egypt is added. By the way, you can also add it to your favorites. Click on Egypt, and now you need to simply connect it. So once you click on connect, your VPN will be connected. Alright, so once it is connected, now you need to relaunch your Modern Warfare 4, and you will be able to see that you are now in a different location and you have much easier lobbies to play. You can even enhance your kill death ratio and your experience will be better, of course. So I hope you found this video really helpful. Alright, so here's an important part. If you want to get ExpressVPN on a discount, you can head over to the link in the description below, where you can find the link to ExpressVPN, and of course with a discount. So you can see when you click on get started on the top right side of your screen, you will be head over to the pricing and plan section. Now, to many of you it might not seem that cheaper, but of course there's a link in the description where you can find a discount, of course. So you can see all of its pricing and plans, and the feature it is offering are super amazing, as I discussed already. So I really hope you understood the concept and found this video helpful. So if you did so, make sure to share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.